A road trip from Vegas to Utah. 3 days. Taking my Autel Evo 2 Pro. Let's do this.
Paper planes fly me to outer space. That's where I'll see your face and have you with me. It may seem dark, but you always light my spark in my heart.
That's a first. He actually went swipe my drone. So we landed in Oahu and we have to wait for our connection flight to Vegas, which takes off in about 20 minutes. 30 minutes? 30 minutes? 30 minutes. I think 30 minutes.
Is it alright if I stay today? Is it alright if I stay today? Take my time, far behind, leave my pride. Oh, is it alright if I stay?
And it's been about 6 hours and we finally reached Vegas. So yeah, I'm excited. So tonight we're gonna be watching a movie, Wild Dogs, to get ourselves into the mood, and then we'll pick up the motorcycles tomorrow morning.
Alright, 'cause I wish we could just stay.
These roads here, these roads are straight.
Take our time, far behind, leave our pride. Oh, is it alright if we stay? Is it alright if I decide but change my mind? Is that okay? Is it alright if I don't wanna feel obliged in any way? Is it alright if I waste my time and not lead myself to a mistake?
It's a beautiful morning in Las Vegas. I made a new best friend. And it's like 6:30 in the morning. It's super bright and sunny already. We're gonna get ready to have some breakfast. I still gotta pick up my bike. My buddies picked up already theirs. And then we're gonna have a quick breakfast thing. It's very windy, so I'm not sure if I can fly the Autel Evo 2 Pro. But send it.
keys right here. The only thing the key does is locks the bags and it locks the bars. So here's a key. Put your stuff in there. If you'd like to lock the bars, just turn this, push it in, and put the key in, turn it to the right. And to unlock it, you're gonna turn one click to the right, that's gonna turn on the bike.
All right, I got my rundown. Put on the helmet and then we're gonna go to the house, get ready. Yeah. Well, I just wrote this fatty right over here. And, you know, they already making fun of me right there. Who are reading?
He just wants to go skinny dipping.
He wants to play some Marco Polo from Wild Hogs.
Are you feeling heavy? Do you have a weight on your back that's too hard to carry? Renders you still in your tracks. Tell me, are you hurting? Do you have a burden like a chain on your neck? Let me tell you something. You don't have to live like that. No one soul could never make it alone. But if we all stand together, then we're stronger than one. When your world starts to crumble, you don't have to run. 'Cause if we all stand together, then we're stronger than one. And have you been rejected? I promise I've been there too. I know how it affects you.
We just had some great late lunch, almost dinner at Cracker Barrel. We rode about like 140 miles right now, and it's so beautiful as you guys seen. So hopefully I can take out the drone at some point. But right now we gotta make it to the Ponderosa Ranch, close to the Zion National Park.
I promise I've been there too. I know how it affects you. Every single thing that you do. Are you broken hearted, feeling disregarded, like you got nothing left? Well, let me tell you something. You don't have to live like that. No one soul could never make it alone. But if we all stand together, then we're stronger than one. And when your world starts to crumble, you don't have to run. 'Cause if we all stand together, then we're stronger than one. And when you're down, when you're caught out in the rain, when you're not feeling so strong, there and then, no matter when there is a hand, you can always count on. Take my word, when it hurts so bad, and you're not sure what to do, it doesn't have to be up to you, no. 'Cause one soul could never make it alone. But if we all stand together.
As you guys see, we're in beautiful Zion National Park. Doesn't this look great? Look at this. You just get to see this all in person. Together with that sunset over there. It's so beautiful.
3,000 miles from home, trying to say that I will get there soon. 30 days I walk down this way, singing my madness to the moon. I met a cat on a tree, and it talked to me about things we don't see. I asked it, how do I know which is the right way to go to get me home? And it said, don't look for a reason, don't look for another way, 'cause anyway we'll get you home.
So we are at the cabin right there right now. And it's freaking cold. It's like 30 degrees. And this Hawaiian forgot his freaking jacket. Dang it.
Is the right way, they say, if you just go your way. Oh, no, you aren't lost, just go and trust yourself.
And it's a beautiful good morning. I can see my own breath. And then there is Sean just messed with Fish's bike. We have ice on our seats. Like ice. We are going to have ourselves some breakfast. Climbing wall. There's a puppy there. Hi, puppy. Totally forgot to tell you guys where we're at the Ponderosa Ranch here in Zion. It's freaking awesome. Super beautiful. Ever want to go anywhere? It's the place to go. Besides that, it's freezing cold in the morning in November, but it's good. It's good. Love it.
Go and trust yourself.
I got TV back.
Maybe tonight I'm not getting home. And maybe I don't know where I wanna go. Maybe tonight we'll knock on the wrong door. And maybe tonight we'll sleep on the
And we just finished eating breakfast. And I got white stuff on my beard. Saving it for later.
home. I'm already home. This is right. I don't have to know where I wanna go, 'cause this way is my home.
sleep. I mark my goals, stand tall, think clear. Don't let them see a hint of fear. Lines and dots, zoom in, zoom out. Open your window, let them hear you shout.
Well, it's the third day. We're back in Vegas at my buddy Sean's place, and it was a great experience riding through Zion National Park. Like, just riding from Vegas to Utah was like super nice. I mean, the landscape, even though it's desert, it's like super beautiful with all those colorful mountains, and I don't know, it's just different from Hawaii. It's like amazing. Like, loved it. So today we're gonna figure out where else we're gonna go around Vegas where we can actually fly the drone too. Because I tried to fly it at Zion. So first of all, Zion is a national park, and then the Zion Ponderosa Ranch that we was at. Everywhere you go, it's like a wilderness area. So all those areas, wilderness areas, you're not allowed to take off. So that's why there's the lack of drone footage. So wherever we stopped was literally when I looked on my Before You Fly app and on all the other apps, where I could actually stop next to the highway. And it was kind of skittish. We were literally like just standing on the side of the highway with all those trucks blowing past us going 80. And I was flying my drone. And I was like thinking to myself, please don't crash into us. Please don't crash into us. So we'll figure out where we go today. And yeah, let's have some fun.
Lines and dots, zoom in, zoom out. Open your window, let them hear you shout. Right on the poles, right on the street.
So we are at this beautiful place right here called Red Rock at the conservation area. Conservation. And there's like Red Rock and everything behind me. This is super beautiful, and it's so, I don't know, riding on these roads sometimes feels like you're riding a horse in Red Dead Redemption 2. Through the prairie, just like that. This is beautiful. It's awesome. Love it.
The future is me. Cut some cords, scratch some scars. Put on your cape and jump from the car. Open your mouth, take a deep breath. Run fast and don't stop at the edge. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know. When I was a kid, my dad used to say, don't let anything stand in your way. Stand tall, think clear. I promise I'll always be here. Cut some cords, scratch some scars. Put on your cape and jump from the car.
Here we are returning the motorcycles back to Hertz Ride USA. Thank you very much. These bikes were great. It was a great trip. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you guys did, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Besides that, don't forget, be a nice human, make somebody else smile. Definitely, paid for it. Love y'all. Aloha.
He goes, but the longer your rental, the cheaper it is. And I was like, oh, okay, thanks. I hang up with him, whatever. I tell Sean, yeah, they don't give discounts, but he said the longer the rental, the cheaper it is. He's all, well, I'm just not going to bring it back.